Opening up a Baseball Superstars wax pack from Three Bros and a card store. It's a division of Chem Bros. You know those bros. Three Bros and a card store. This looks like a manually put together set. It's not a top set. Purchased this for $5 a few weeks ago. I liked the way the Eddie Murray was centered. Thinking maybe this is a PSA 10. Maybe this is a $500 Eddie Murray card. We're going to take a look. Here we go. $25 card pack. Okay, let's see. It is small set here. Firstly, and quickly take out the Eddie Murray, because that's the card I'm interested in most. So we can get that out easily. I don't think that's an easy thing. Nope. First thing I notice, it is not easy to get out. It is officially stuck. This tape is no fun. Okay. Taking the Eddie Murray very carefully. I immediately don't think it's a PSA 10. Borders are a little bit off. It is well centered. It is in, I would say, very good condition. It does not appear to be a PSA 10. That said, I'm going to handle it very carefully as if it were. I'm going to have take my little tweezers, see if I can gently place it in the holder. Put him in there. There it is. Pretty good. Very nice, I would say. 60-40, 65-35 maybe on the front. The back, 60-40 maybe. It looks nice. Card 700. Sharp corners, $5. I'll take it. I'll take it for the chance. Who knows? But yeah, it's pretty nice. Relatively happy with it. Who else do we have here in our mega pack of superstars? I'm going to guess only clowns and commons. Let's see what we have done here. Adriel Amador. Jeff Juden. I remember him. What is this? This is a 1994 Jeff Juden. Huh. Rom Lewis. Upper Deck. Never heard of him. Nolan Jones. Oh, look at this. 1981 batting and pitching leaders. Wow, this is a 1980 Topps card. Teams checklist. That's very cool looking. If you like San Francisco. Huh. Ha-Seong Kim, no clue. Tink Hence, no clue. Max Scherzer, no clue. Gunnar Henderson. Okay, what about Gunnar Nelson? Luis Arias. Okay. Jake DeLeo. Okay. Devon White, really? 1990 Flair Devon White. Sort of interesting. Huh. Trey Mancini. Oh, how about that? An Allen and Ginter 2022. Lopez. Brooklyn, New York, it says. World champion. Otto Lopez. Allen and Ginter is kind of cool. Bryn Smith. Sweet Daryl Hamilton from a 1990, 89 Upper Deck. Pretty sweet Daryl Hamilton. That's a joke. Xavier Isaac. From 2024. Prism. Jay Bruce. Good googly moogs. Look at this. Lourdes Guerrero Jr. 2019 tops. I love the way this looks. It's like the 70 cards. Thought it was a 70 card from Top 70. But I've been out of the hobby for a while. That's super cool looking. Probably worth 1 cent. Ron Darling. I remember him from back in the day. 1990 Donruss. Probably worth 2 cents. Bryce Matthews. Eric Plunk. Love it. He is the card inhabitor. The 1986 Fleer Jose Canseco rookie card. Now he's got his own cards because that's how they do it. 1988, probably worth 7 cents. Luis Garcia. Okay, second base. Cool looking card. 2019. Cody Bellinger. Jose Ramirez. Huh. From the Indians. Interesting. Jose Ramirez. Yeah. I would say, apart from the Eddie Murray, I really like this. Allen and Ginter. It's just cool. I don't think it's worth much, but it's cool looking. 1982 is the oldest card in the deck. Vita Blue Milt May. What condition is this? It's pretty good condition. Might be worth $1. Maybe not. As expected, the 1985 Eddie Murray is the standout card. It looks in very good condition overall. I don't think that'll go to PSA 10. I think the corners, the edges are nice. The centering is nice. Don't think it's pristine. I think it is very good. I think this could go to PSA 8. I don't see why not. That's it.